Magandang araw, anglers! Another feature setup tayo dito sa Fishing Villa. So yung ating client or customer is babae. And ang kanyang premise is to use yung setup pang boat fishing and then combination ng casting at saka ng light jigging. Okay? So ang rod na napili niya is Stella SW6000. So yung Stella SW6000, ito ay 2026 model and then this is XG. Yung kanyang gear ratio is XG. Ayan o. Okay? And then yung kanyang rod na pinair is yung Yamaha Seawalk cast and jigging. So may catch yung rod na yan. So sabi ko kanina, ang request ni client is combination ng boat casting at saka ng jigging. So ito yung tamang-tamang specs ng rod, yung Seawalk 7.3 medium. And then kung titingnan nyo dito sa specification ng rod, match din siya dun sa reel. So ito yung rod. So yung reel recommendation na yan, Shimano SW4000 to 6000. So 4 to 6,000 yung sweet spot niya. So si client, minax niya yung size ng reel. But meron din kasi siyang 4,000 tsaka 5,000. So ito na yung pangatlo niya Shimano SW na reel. Okay? And then itong rod na to, ang kanyang maximum casting weight is 60 grams. Okay? Yung naman maximum jig weight is 80 grams. Okay, so tamang-tama to. And then ang target location ng ating customer is Manila Bay, Tansa. So yung mga spot na yan ang kanyang target. So yung Tansa ngayon, medyo hit yung hulihan dyan ngayon, kaya maganda mag fishing dyan. And occasionally meron talagang malalaki. Okay, so i-flex natin tong setup. So in terms of weight distribution, ayan balance. So kahit saang angulo ka humawak ganda. Okay, itong Shimano SW6000 XG, ang real specs nito, yung kanyang gear ratio is 6.2. Okay, yung kanyang drag is 13 kilograms or 29 pounds ang taas. Yung kanyang line is PE3, and then yung kanyang line retrieve is 113 centimeters, so 1.13 meters. Maganda yung kanyang line retrieve, so pwede rin to sa mga popping. And then yung kanyang bearing is 12 plus 1, so 13 bearings all in all. Okay, so ang ganda ng specs. Well, what do you expect? Shimano Stella SW yan. So yung latest model. Adrian, pakibira mo nga, ipe-flex natin. Tingnan natin yung flexing action. Okay, tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng flexing nito. Yan yung diba? Pag Yamaha, hindi ka kakabahang mag-flex. Okay, ang ganda So casting, boat casting, jigging, pwede yan light jigging, micro jigging, maganda yan. Okay, so isa na namang setup dito sa Fishing Villa. Let me know kung anong feedback nyo sa setup na yan. Maganda ba? Napakaganda, super ganda. Okay, and price point naman niya is around 70k more or less. So ang line na ilalagay natin is yung Baribas X9 PE3 PE3 300 meters. Okay, so yung max line capacity ng rod is PE2 pero since hindi naman baguhan yung yung client, gusto niyang i-max para sakto, walang backing, PE3 300 ang ilalagay natin. So pwede naman yan basta sanay ng mag-cast at sanay ng mag-fishing. Okay, so very nice setup. Ako ang rating ko dito parang almost nasa 4.9 out of 5. So napakagandang setup niyan for the application na gusto ng client natin. Cool!